How to unprivate your Twitter account. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to unprivate your Twitter account, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Twitter account. Perfectly, now when I'm in here, then what I need to do is to click on my profile picture in the top left corner. Perfectly, now we need to scroll down. And then we need to click where it says Settings and Privacy. Perfect. In here we need to click where it says Privacy and Safety. Perfect. Then when you have come to this page right here, you need to click where it says Audience and Tagging. Great. As you can see, the first setting in here called Protect Your Tweets, you need to disable that setting. So I'm going to do that right now. Perfectly. As you can see, I have now disabled my Protect Your Tweet setting basically in here, and what that means is that my Twitter account will now be public to everybody, so everybody will be able to see my tweets on my Twitter account. Before, only those who followed me could see it, but now everybody will be able to do so when I have changed this setting. So this is basically exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.